Alright, so me and Kevin decided to develop an app called Squares.
Squares is like a pretty it's just an app. It's a game.
And I made that. So basically the objective of the game is to get as many points as you can in 30 seconds. And you get points by clicking the white square.
Okay, so there's 3 different kinds of squares. You have white squares, which give you 1 point, brown squares, which take away 3 points, and purple squares, which you add 3 seconds to your timer, so you have more time to get more white squares. And all the squares are kind of random, so every time you tap a white square, it moves into a different position, a random position on the screen, and it gets smaller. The brown squares move every 1 second, and the purple squares have a 10% chance of appearing every second.
And here's the sample of our code. So basically, we chose this code because we didn't really know how to use like the call functions, but we learned a lot from doing this. So we made the call functions and we used if-then statements. And then we, by doing that, we made the program a lot shorter. Like before, it was like really long, and then like condensed, and then not condensed, like offset condensed, and then like it was really hard to fix it. But yeah. So the grid score change function, it basically adds 1 point to the score every time you touch it. And then the change color function, it changes the color of the thing based on how many points we have. So the 0, 20, 21, 34, 35.
And what this statement does is it shrinks the white block every time, so it like increases difficulty as you move on, like move the rest of the game. And it actually has a minimum size of 5 pixels, so it's not like impossible to keep going. Then right here, this moves the block to a random position within the screen, like it's any position in the screen.
And I changed the video.
You gotta go to the video.
Let's go down. Alright, do it. Sound. Yeah, it's basically it. Oh shoot. Okay, so like when we make this app, we had a lot of challenges. For example, it was a new language and syntax, so we had no background knowledge. So we had to basically learn everything. And we also had many connection problems because like we had to do the tutorial like 5 times because like the images wouldn't show up. But we eventually got it to work with the message. And also we had trouble on what to make because earlier, before we actually finished the entire game. We were like, we don't like this, so we decided to make another one, and we made the
Yeah, because the previous game actually didn't work very well. So one of the actual like game challenges we had while making this is we actually how we have a 30-second timer, and then we had 1 timer to set your time and another timer to reset every second to show your time, and that actually bugged up and they didn't see all very properly. So we actually just typed that into just 1 timer. And we also had to simplify all the code, which took a very long time because we have a lot of sections that appear over and over, so instead of just doing that, we cut it down and just made it refer back to that 1 section of like every time.
Yeah, that's basically when we're using the call function. And even though our game is like amazing, we still improve on it. We can make better graphics, so instead of having just like normal squares, we can have like pre-made sprites.
So it like appeals to more people.
Yeah.
Because people don't like seeing just squares sometimes.
And then we also want to add like difficulty levels, so people can choose like how many obstacles they want to be in the way when you're trying to get the square. And also we wanted a high score thing, but we weren't able to do this because like due to time. But we wanted to have it so people can like challenge each other and be more competitive.
And this might come later, but we could add sound effects like for whenever you have like a Lex where you have like a
Ding.
or like the browser where you have like a buzzing sound. And we also need to add the ability to pause or quit because as of right now it's a 30-second game with no way of stopping. Like you have to finish.
Get to finish. And that's basically it. Thank you.